Hey everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. I want to have a quick conversation about tomorrow and the AP Lang exam, some things to keep in mind, and kind of what you need to do tonight. So first things first, don't panic. Everything's gonna be fine. Whether you demolish and conquer the exam and have the best score anyone's ever had, or everything goes off the rails, it's gonna be fine. But of course, you want to succeed and you want to do your best. One, go over your notes if you like. You don't have to, but if that'll give you peace of mind, these are all things you already know, but going over your notes would not be a bad idea. Look at the videos I've linked in our Google Classroom. That would also be a really good idea of something that you could do tonight. You might want to watch the video of me breaking down an RA prompt. It's not the most exciting video in the world. It's mostly at the back of my head and my shoulder. But the narration in it is actually pretty good. And there's a lot there that'd be worth you thinking about and about kind of a good approach to have with all this stuff. Next, don't forget, the test is going to open with the multiple choice. You have 1 hour multiple choice questions. The big thing is, go through, answer the ones you're confident with. Don't get stalled out on one and panic and burn up all your time. Answer those you're confident in, go back and answer the others. If you're running out of time, make sure you answer all of them, even if you're putting the same letter all the way down. You don't want to leave blanks. You are not penalized for wrong answers, only for the ones you get right. So why not take a chance, roll the dice, make sure you answer all of them. After the multiple choice, you're going to have the reading time. Well, there'll be a short break, and then the reading time, during which you're going to prep for the synthesis essay. With the synthesis, you're going to look over the prompt. You're going to scan the sources in order to figure out what your approach is going to be and to hunt and gather the sources you're going to use. You then write your outline and then write your essay. Then time will have already begun because you get 15 minutes in the reading period, then 2 hours to write and finish planning the 3 essays. For your 3 essays, you're going to be having that synthesis that we just mentioned. You're going to have your rhetorical analysis, which you're going to look at the video and go over. And you're going to have your argument essay. The argument essay will be last because it's the one that you need the least planning for, that you don't have to do a lot of advanced reading for. So if you find yourself with, oh my God, I only have 20 minutes left, don't panic. No need to give up. You can still get a good score on that essay. All of the essays, if you remember the rubric, thesis statement, then evidence and analysis. I have something I want to say. I'm now saying it, and I'm going to connect all my points together to my thesis. That last line on the rubric, that third line, is the sophistication point, which we're not going to worry about. You're very sophisticated people. I'm sure it will come out in your writing, and you're not going to worry about it during the test. You're going to let that kind of take care of itself. All right? This is really important. That's the whole test. That's the whole thing. You know all this. You have notes on all of it, so it's going to be fine. Tomorrow morning, you need to be at the school at 7:25. I will be there just inside the gate with snacks, extra pens and pencils, because you want to have dark blue pens and sharp pencils. You can't really have anything else. You can have your totem that I gave you, and I'm going to have some snacks and this and that. You'd be smart to have a watch. It cannot be a smartwatch. They're not allowed in the room. You can't have a smartwatch. You can't have your phone with you. No kind of communication devices. You can have the totem. You can have a regular watch. And you can have pens and pencils, both of which you will need. Tonight, you need to get a good night's sleep. Go to bed as early as you reasonably can. Stay off your phone. Stay off any screens for at least half an hour before bed so your sleep patterns are as healthy and as productive as possible. That way you get really solid night's sleep, wake up early, feel good, have a cup of coffee, see me outside the testing area, or well, nearby by the gates. I'll give you snacks. We'll have a little cheer. I'll give high fives to anybody who wants one. And then you're going to go in and dominate the test. You can come and talk to me about it afterward. And my little list of things I'm supposed to talk about. Let's see. Test format and timing? Check. Sleep tonight? Check. Answer all multiple choice questions? Nailed it. Thesis plus evidence, explanation, connection? We talked about that too. And see you at 7:25. All of these are things I've now said. Listen. You're going to do great. I have full and absolute faith in each and every one of you. You're going to be great. Make the test your fun project. Make it do what you want it to do. Use this as an opportunity to demonstrate how awesome you really are. Because you are awesome. Time to let everybody know about it. Ooh, wild hair. That's what's going to happen, okay? Get a good night rest. See you tomorrow.